Do you know who that is? That's a Reptar. He's from the show Rugrats. It was a show when Daddy was a kid. What is that? Evolving Powers?
Yeah.
It's like $60.
Yeah, for $7, I'd rather buy it ETB.
What's it come with? Bunch of promo cards, 7 packs, and a code card. I don't think we're gonna get this, do you?
Yeah, let me see what packs are in.
Alright guys, so we were out and about today, several different towns running some errands, and I was able to find this binder collection at a Target. So let's open this up and see what the 4 packs we get, and also that binder. I wonder if we can fit the whole set in this binder. I don't know if it's like a full normal binder, or if it's like a smaller one or something. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we can get. This binder feels a lot thinner than a normal binder of this style. It is side load, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 pages. Not bad. I think the whole set will fit in here. So let's get down to our packs. It comes with 4 packs, 151. Let's see what we can get. Get a better view. Now apparently there's 2 different kinds of the hollow energies. I'll have to check those out. The Parasect, Drowsy, and the Articuno. Ooh, a nice one here, guys. Lots of swirls. We get a Pinsir, Hitmonlee, and a Marowak. 3rd pack. We pulled an SAR in a while. With the Goldeen, Golbat, and Jolteon. And the final pack in this 4-pack collection. Let's start with the Coughing, Psychoduck, ooh, the Haunter, Nidoran, and the Electrode. I'm sure there's a few cards in there that we need in our binder. I also picked up a loose pack, or hanger pack, Obsidian Flames. Still have a few cards that we need to finish this set off. Of course, another Charizard would be really cool. The Wiglet, Lycanroc, and Gita. Nope. I got 1 final pack of Lost Origin. Code card. We can still get a gallery card. And we get, ooh, that's a nice card. That's really the only hit we got of all of these, so pretty happy with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and click that bell icon to get notified every time that we post new videos, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.